So guys, as you can see, this is our online reservation system. As you can see, this is the login area. So this is our database. We use PHP MyAdmin. As you can see, it's empty. And the user is empty also. And then this is the admin's Gmail inbox. This is where the reservation will be sent. So as you can see, we will create an account. So here we will put the name, student number, and password. So as you can see, I will try to put a different password, so you'll know that creating a password with different account will not create your account. Okay, so as you can see there, password did not match. So I'm gonna put the right password, the same password. As you can see, it's already created. So we are going to the login area. So this is where we log in the account. I will also try to put a different password, so you'll know that it doesn't log in you. So as you can see, the password is not in match. So here, this is the home page. As you can see, we will create a reservation just clicking the create reservation. As you can see, this is the reservation area. So I will also try to put a time, and I will also put a time that the cashier is closed, so you'll see that it won't create your reservation. As you can see, so here I will put the right time that the reservation is open. The cashier is open. So I will choose a type of payment. You have two types of payment, partially and full payment. I will choose full payment. As you can see, it's already creating the reservation. And then there, as you can see, it's already created. Your reservation has been created. So we will go to the database, to PHP MyAdmin. So as you can see, there's the user that we create. As you can see, there's the name, Adrian. This is the reservation that we created. So you can see the time is there, and the date is there. So now we will go to the admin's Gmail inbox. So as you can see, the reservation has been sent to the admin's Gmail. So there's the name, the student number, the reservation date, and the payment. So that's the reservation. So we will go to homepage again to log out, and then we click log out. So that's it. That is our online reservation system.